We just published our new Canva for social media course on Udemy, and in this video, we would love for you to discover it. What is up everyone, Ronnie here. Welcome back to our channel. Today, super excited as always when we have something new to launch, to share with you guys. Today is a new course, the Canva for social media course. It's a project Diana and I and the rest of the team have been working on since February. So as you can see, it's a long project that came to its conclusion. And we now have a course which is about 8.5 hours of content and about 48 different lectures. So without further ado, let's jump into the content of this course so you can discover what it covers and decide whether or not it is for you. And then at the end of the video, I will have a special coupon for you guys for you to get the course at its best possible price. All right, let's jump into it. In section 1, we really lay the foundation for the course. We explain why social media should be your top marketing priority. We also give you our best tips based on our experience on how to be successful on social media. We debate and give you some reasons of why Canva is actually a great tool for planning and creating social media content. And we give you our 2 cents on whether or not you should go and upgrade to Canva Pro if you are going to use Canva for creating social media content. So there is no final project in this section number 1, as it is more of an introduction to the course. In section 2, we'll be talking about planning your social media campaigns with Canva. You will learn how to understand your audience, to brainstorm, organize, and validate content ideas, but also to choose the right platforms for your campaigns. The section's project consists in building together your very own social media planner. This document will be your best friend throughout the rest of the course and will eventually help you organize your content for an entire month. In section 3, we make sure your brand is ready to shine on social media. That is that branding section I was telling you about. You'll learn how to create beautiful color palettes, select your brand fonts, and develop your brand kits in Canva. After laying these foundations, we'll focus on designing eye-catching profile pictures and crafting social media bios that will get you noticed. And for that, I will inject a little bit of AI and ChatGPT. So for those of you who like that, there is some of that in that section. And by the end of the section, you'll have created your very own branded social media cheat sheet. That is your style guide, your brand sheet that will help you remain on brand for the rest of the course and for the rest of the projects you will design in this course. And then comes section 4, where we'll discover how to find and edit the perfect photos for your social media post. We'll explore the Canva photo libraries, and then I will show you how you can upload and edit your very own photos or images into Canva. We'll learn how to crop and resize your photos for social media, remove backgrounds of any photos in just one click, and how to use the other magic features, okay? Then we'll see how we can use Canva's folders to better organize and even tag our photos. And by the end of this section, you will have edited a full set of photos that will be now ready to use on social media. And then comes section 5, when we actually start designing platform-specific content. And we'll start with Instagram. After quickly reviewing the basics of graphic design, we'll start using Canva to create Instagram posts, carousels, puzzle feeds, stories, highlights, reels, and reel covers. And for this section's project, we'll let you decide which type of content is the one that you want to design for your very own Instagram account. We won't impose any particular type of content for you. We'll let you pick within all of the different content types we have explained in this section about Instagram. And then finally, there's section 6, which is all about creating content, this time for Facebook. You will learn how to create Facebook posts, page covers, animated GIFs, and also video ads using Canva. And here again, you will have to decide for yourself which Facebook visual you want to complete as the section's project. Okay, the choice is yours. We don't want to impose anything on you. We want stuff to be useful. That is the main keyword for this course. All right, so that is, in a nutshell, what you can expect from this course. 6 different sections, 5 different real-world projects to help you practice whatever you've learned in this course. Also, some of you like to have a taste of what a course might sound like, look like, or feel like. So in order for you to experience that, we've left a bunch of different lectures free to preview. A lot of them them are in section 1, which is the introduction, but then we left the intro of every section also free to preview. So make sure you visit the course landing page on Udemy and click on these preview links. All right, so that's what's in the course. Now let's talk about the coupon and how to get it at the best possible price. As always, Udemy allows us to create these temporary coupons that last 5 days and set the price as the lowest price possible on Udemy. So that's what I've done one more time. So you can grab the link, it's in the description of this video. If you click on it, the coupon is already applied, so you should get that $9.99 price. Only valid for 5 days, not my choice, it's Udemy's policy. So go ahead and grab it now, it's right there in the description. And that's what I had for you guys today. I just wanted to let you know about this new course, give you the opportunity of the reduced priced coupon. And for the rest, the choice is yours. I'm sure you'll make the right decision. Thank you for watching until the end. I will see you in the course.